Alright, this project is either going to go really well or not. I've done this once before on Gypsy's iMac, but I'm going to replace the hard drive in my 27-inch iMac with a 240 gig SSD. The hard drive itself is gone bad, at least that's what the smart technology says. So this should make it faster. It's not anything high-end, it's just for use in my shop, but I haven't taken apart one of these things in a while and it can be kind of fishy. So let's get started. Now for the real test. Alright, it's installing. I would not say this is a how-to. Probably a not how-to. The drive went in fine. Not the perfect setting, but I mean it sets in there just fine. It's not going to move around. Putting the monitor back in, I did lose a couple of screws, which I can probably open the memory port on the bottom and pull those out. But I mean, this is sitting in the shop. If I was to sell this, I would probably pull it all back out and pull the screws back out. The SSD formatted fine. It says it has about 6 minutes remaining. As you can see from this glowing rectangle behind me, the SSD install went fine. The install of OS X went fine. And it's working beautifully. It's really fast. Even for a cheap SSD, it fit in the shop nicely. Well, actually it's quite large. I'm still having to push it back because the screen's so big for being in here. I've been using a little 13-inch MacBook from yesteryear. That's gonna be it for today. So we'll see what we get in tomorrow.